everybody, we are playing Double Money Link, Rainforest Treasure. Never played this before. Max bet $7.50 on a penny, and I got a rumble and I got this. So here we go.
Hold it like you were
everybody.
holding it. The camera's up at the top. Hold it right around here, okay? There you go.
Okay, we're playing Double Money Link, Rainforest Treasures. We've never played this before. And I got a random. And we're betting $7.50 on max bet pennies. So here we go.
Hit that button, Miss Wiggles. Let's do this.
You're going to have to hit it. I can't. Either that or film.
Go around behind me there.
Are you ready?
I sure am. Go up. There you go. Does it reset? Yeah. And we're good. Let's do this. Something nice. Last spin. Oh, saved it. All right, Miss Wiggles. Go, baby, go.
Let's do this. All right.
Got the mini for 10. Another $15 ball. Come on. Fill her up, baby.
Come on, coins. Come on.
There you go. Come on. There you go.
Come on, fill it up. Fill.
Good job. $50 ball. That helps.
Big coins, bring out big coins.
Big coins break big coins. There's 5. There's another 10. Go, Miss Wiggles, go.
Yeah.
Been a pretty good day so far, folks.
Come on, coins.
We're here at Scioto Downs,
Save it.
El Dorado, and Columbus. All right, we'll take it. Pretty good bonu. Gotta count the top one now. 20%. Look at that, 400 bucks. She just sat down. Big win.
It's a big win.
She's tickling his chin. You see that? Touch him. See what he does. See if he's interactive. Rainforest Treasures. Double Money Link, folks. Pretty cool game. First time we've ever tried it. Got some awesome music on it too. Cool music. We don't want to touch it.
I don't want to mess with it.
She built her ticket up. Look at that, folks. All right, we'll be back. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. All right, everybody. She spun twice and got it back to back on the $7.50 bet on pennies. Double Money Link.
Are you ready?
Let's go. $50. Go, Miss Wiggles, go.
Yeah.
25.
Come on, baby. More coins. Come on.
80.
Oh.
That's great, Miss Wiggles. Do this.
Come on, coins. Come on, save it. Here's coins.
Major. She just got the major for $276.87.
All right.
Wow. Go, Miss Wiggles. Big balls bring big balls. Another $80 ball. Fill her up, Miss Wiggles. Take that grand home.
Gorilla, give us another coin.
Mr. Gorilla.
Come on. Yes.
Let's call him George. Charlie?
George.
I don't care. You want Charlie came to name.
Charlie. Come on.
Charlie the Gorilla. Let's see if he likes that name. Let's go, Charlie.
Yeah.
So far, he likes it. Come on, Charlie.
Let's go, Charlie.
25 bucks more. Go, girl, go.
Come on, Charlie.
Last spin. Save it.
Save it. Give us a coin.
We'll take it. Look at that. Pretty good for back-to-back bonuses.
All right.
Check it out. 666.87. Big win.
It's a
There's Charlie.
Charlie.
Go, Charlie, go. You better get some of them coins, Miss Wiggles.
Not touching the screen.
Don't touch the screen, Miss Wiggles. All right. Thank you. Rainforest Treasures. Here at Scioto Downs. Pretty good. Pretty good music. I do too. Pretty good win for our first time playing it. $666.87. She built that ticket up to $1,200. All right, folks, we'll be back. All right, everybody, we got this baby again. She played her down about $100 and got the hold and spin again. $7.50 bet on pennies, max bet. Let's go, Miss Wiggles. This is double money lane. Yeah, $15. Mini. $15. Go, Miss Wiggles, go. Make this your biggest one yet. There you go. Every time she gets it, it resets. Come on. Some more big ones. Last spin, save it. There we go. Oh, a 40 and a 25 and a 5 on that spin. Oh my goodness. Let's go. This is great. Come on, save it. Yes. Another mini. Come on, baby. Down to that last spin again. Minor again. $25. I guess the last one was a major. Let's go. Big ones bring big ones. We'll take it. Good job, Miss Wiggle. till we get another one. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, everybody. She played her down about 120 bucks and got the free games this time. Let's see how well this turns out. Way different music. We ain't touching it. They stay locked. Wild. Come on, something nice.
Yeah.
Full screen. Bunch of toucans. I think that's a good symbol. Come on. 4 more games. You need a full screen. Those first 3 are all locked. You need a full screen. I wouldn't touch it either. I don't even know how many lines it is, do you?
I have no idea. Do I have to touch it?
No.
No?
It's not done.
Oh, it's counting.
It's counting lines down here at the bottom. See? We're waiting on that to quit count. That spin there by itself was $40. Pretty nice looking machine.
40 lines.
Here we go. Do it. Now there's one more. Bunch of J's. That line paid $34 just for jacks. How many lines was it, Miss Wiggles?
40 lines.
40 lines. Okay. It's sort of a drawn out bonus, but we don't like to touch them, folks. It's a fun game. While we're waiting on that, I'm gonna clean the lens. Ta-da! Now it's better. Miss Wiggles is all fingers sometimes. I seen her fingerprint on the lens. This is good. Hope I didn't spook anybody with that. Here we go.
Come on, doors.
Fill it.
Doors.
Cheetahs. Paid $51.50 on that spin. 2 more spins to go. Not bad.
I'm liking it.
Nice and quiet back here in the corner on a Monday morning. Well, I guess it's Monday afternoon, isn't it? See where my mind's at. Lose track of time inside the casino. Oh, we need one of them full screens of Lock Wilds, Miss Wiggles. Doors and doors, yeah. 2 spins left to go. Wonder if it can re-trigger. I'll do it. Wilds. Wilds all the way for $400. Wow. That's crazy. I forgot how much you had there originally. How much was there for the 400 hit?
100 and some.
Almost 2. Wow, this is the biggest win so far, folks. Trying to outdo me today, isn't she?
think I'm gonna hit a
Miss Wiggles is
$14,000
doing a
jackpot
great,
today.
fantastic job. She's got one spin left. That's crazy. Look at this. Go, baby, go. We're having a blast here today. I like Monday morning gambling, Monday afternoon gambling. I like gambling, period, I guess. Let's do this, Miss Wiggles. Come on. Here we go. A lot of ladies for $35.50 more. Miss Wiggles, that's cool. $581, folks. We'll be back if she gets another one, okay? Thanks so much for watching. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we decided to change denoms. She bet her down to 1777. Ain't that lucky? And she got it on a $6 bet nickel denom. All right, let's go, Miss Wiggles. Let's see what it does for us.
Come on, Charlie. Give us some coins. Come on, coins.
There we go. Pretty good.
Come on, coins.
Let's go, Bonos. Let's go, Charlie. Fill the board up, buddy. Oh, that's good. I seen some words.
Come on, Charlie. Let's go, coins.
Notice that mini, minor, major, mega
Save it.
grew on this denom. So if she gets words, it's going to be worth it. Come on, a word.
Come on, coins.
Talk to her.
Let's go, coins.
There we go. Do it. Last spin. Save it. Yeah. That's $60.
Let's go, coins.
There you go. Get her, Miss Wiggles. Okay. Come on, give her something with letters. We'll just fill her up. We don't even care what they are. Right?
Right. Coins.
Down to that last spin again.
Save it. Give us a coin.
All right, here we go. Look at this. Miss Wiggles is on a roll today. Another $408, folks. Look at the effects. Big win.
Yeah.
All right, folks. We get another one. We'll be back. How many is that, Miss Wiggles?
5, 6 now.
I can't. I lost track. We'll have to look at the tape. All right. Like and subscribe, folks. All right, everybody. Miss Wiggles just got the rumble. Changed that denom to nickels. Stepped her up to $10 bet. We was down to that lucky $18.88 this time. And look, she gets the holding spin. Minis and minors and majors and megas grew with this bet. All right, Miss Wiggles, let's get this. Come on, give her something. Come on. Ooh. Boy, howdy. Come on, Charlie. Oh, yeah. Remember, folks, these are nickels. Come on, Miss Wiggles. Come on, save it. There we go. That's a nice one. Come on. Throw her something nice. That's another good one. Another good one. Big balls bring big balls. Tell us another story. That top row filled. Yes. Come on, baby. Yes. Come out there. Come out there. Yeah. Fill her up, Miss Wiggles. Come on, save it.
Save it.
That's it, folks. We'll take it. Watch how fast this thing grows. Way to go, Miss Wiggles. $625 bonus. All right, folks, we get another one. We'll be back. Okay, folks, we're back. I talked her into playing that dollar denom or $10 bet, and she got the rumble for the hold and spin. Ready, Miss Wiggles?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's crush it. There's what we're looking at up here for the mini and the minor. Minor for $250, folks. Nice hit, Miss Wiggles. Come on, fill the screen. Yes. Talk to us. Give her something big this time.
Let's do this. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on, save it, Charlie. Give us a point. Yes.
Mini for 100. All right. Let's go, Miss Wiggles. Come on, don't let it be the last one. We'll take it. Not too bad. Really not as much as she was getting on the smaller denoms though. Still good. $4.10. Yeah, just about the same thing, folks. Boom, boom, boom. Big win. There's Charlie. All right, we'll be back. All right, folks. Told her to do some backups, and she got it the natural way this time. She played her down about, 80, 90 bucks, 8 or 9 spins. Here we go again. $10 bet, dollar denom.
Come on, Charlie. Yes.
Oh my.
All right. Come on, give us some big
Come on.
points, Charlie.
Throw something nice in there. I don't know what it takes to get the grand on this one.
I have no idea. I don't know if you have to fill out
$10 one.
or if it throws it.
I don't know. Come on, baby.
Point.
Come on, save it.
Come on, Charlie, save it. Save it.
That was it. Short and sweet, but we'll take it. $89.99. All right, folks. We get another one. We'll be back. All right, everybody. We decided to step down to the 2-cent denom, $15 bet, and she got the free games. Hope it gives her something nice.
Locking doors.
It's one. Come on, baby.
Come on, lots of locking doors. Come on, Charlie. Help us out here, buddy.
pull them locking doors. Wild. Come on. Be nice, Charlie. Do this. Doors, doors, doors. Oh. Tree frogs. Fill it. Three games left. Come on, give her something fantastic. Look at this. It's not being too fantastic on this bet. Come on, baby. Fill it. Wild. Charlie's. That's better. That line hit paid $72. Come on, Charlie. Give her full screen this time. Of the same thing. Gotta wait on her to count out here. Come on, Charlie. Here we go. Wild. Damn Jacks again. All right, so 148, folks. 2-cent denom, not nickels. It's okay, Miss Wiggles. So we'll be back, folks, if we get another one. All right, folks, 3 spins later, we stayed on that denom, and this time she got the rumble with the Holden spin. Those are good numbers. 2-cent denom. Let's go, Miss Wiggles.
All right, come on, Charlie. Give us some great coins. Come on, coins.
There's a $50 ball.
Come on,
Something in the
coins.
top. There's a $30 ball. Come on, Miss Wiggles, do this.
Come on, coins.
Yeah, $160.
Come on, let's
Come
do
on.
this. All right.
Oh, my goodness. Big balls bring big balls.
Yes, they do. Come on, Charlie.
A lot of people don't like us to say that, but hell with it.
Come on, coins.
We're all grown-ups here. Come on.
Come on, coins. All right.
Mini for 20. Come on, keep talking to her.
Come on, Charlie. Keep sending them coins. Come on, lay them on the screen. Let's
Do it, Charlie.
Come on.
Save her, Charlie.
Come on, save it. Yes.
Here we go. Yes. This is a fun game, folks.
I like it. Never played it before.
I have no idea how many bonuses we have.
Come on, save it. Save it.
Okay, we'll take it. Check it out. It's going to be a good one. Watch this one. Biggest one so far. 580, folks. Big win. All right, ladies and gents, we'll be back when we get another one.
Hey guys, we found a buffalo, I don't know what the heck this is called. It's got the surge and the jackpots. And
Triple
the double
boost.
Oh, right there. Triple boost. And we got free coins, and we're betting $8 on a 5-cent denom.
We got the double up bonus on an $8 bet on nickel denom. All right, Miss Wiggles, are you ready to do this?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Never
I don't
played
know
this
how this
before.
one plays. Okay. All
Do it
right.
again. Three games just like the regular Buffalo. I got
Okay,
5
so
more.
Buffalo on reel
Right
1,
down here,
2,
see?
adds an additional reel set. Okay.
Oh. 3.
I'm going to stand back here and film. I've never seen this bonus before, so we'll just stay right here.
Let's go, Buffalo.
Come on, coin.
Coin.
Yeah.
5 more spins. Puts us up to 18 down here. Oh. Multiplier.
Do they multiply?
3.
Oh my
Give me a 3,
goodness.
buddy.
they
Give me a
multiply.
3.
Okay.
Got Eagles too up
Oh
there.
my really. Oh my goodness.
Big win. Big win.
We are having a terrific day today. Got lots of good content to post.
Yeah, we do. This is amazing. I've been wanting to play this ever since I watched Tim the Big Payback play it. Shout out to Timmy boy. I love this game now. You got me hooked, buddy. You know I love Buffalo. We got 14 more spins to go too, Miss Wiggles.
Unless we get more re-triggers.
Oh yeah. That's true. What if you can double your re-triggers if you get them 2 in the top and 2 in the bottom? That'd be something to see.
Like I said, never played this before.
Come on, baby. Do it. Ah,
Damn it, where's the Buffalo in the second row?
Right.
need the first 2. Do it.
There we
you
go.
Come on, multiplier. Take it. Every little bit helps.
They put these new machines in here, and I don't know what the hell's going on with them.
Right. I watched this on YouTube. A friend of mine played it.
They had a Buffalo machine over here and another one here. There's 2 back here. They
Right.
had one over here, and it hit the grand at 52,000 or something.
Oh
Right.
wow.
Some bitch was up to 54 and they took it out, which is bullshit because it's probably ready to hit and they took it out.
Well, but the waves explained to us that money they have to put into.
They have to add it
other
to another
machines. Yeah, they
grant.
can't. Yeah, they can't just.
Got
write
another
that.
re-trigger.
They can't just write it
Good.
off. It has to go into.
It
other-
probably went on that one right there. If you look how high that is, that Dragon Cash over there, 96,000. Double up. Come on, triple.
God damn, it's waving you on one.
Come on.
That's been a
At
dandy.
least I got a 3. That would have been a dandy if
If
I
you
had.
had one there, that son of a bitch would have been big time.
I know, but that would have been all the way.
How many spins you got left?
10.
Oh hell, you got a lot of spins. Yeah, you will be alright.
Not too bad. I've been wanting to play this. I've seen him play it on YouTube. I watch YouTube channels a lot. We have our own YouTube channel. Go Buffalo, go.
Oh, they're God damn it, this one the first.
Damn. Come on, baby.
Didn't get the Buffalo on this one.
Oh come on, Buffalo, no dead spins. Come
Come on. Double up.
Give us re-triggers and double ups.
There you go. Multiplier. Another multiplier. Ah. Well, we got elks. Top and bottom. Yeah, I'm not complaining.
Re-trigger.
Yeah, another
Get down
reason.
to 5 spins.
They made it fun, that's for sure. Come on, baby, do it again.
Now you need-
Wild, wild, wild. Re-trigger.
Re-trigger.
Do it again.
Oh, you dirty dog. I can't believe that.
That takes us to 28 spins. Come on, baby. Keep up the good work. Oh, come on, wow. Oh. Three, give me a three down here.
Yeah, I might be having some bad luck.
Still good, Miss Wiggles.
Oh yeah, this is great.
Have 8 more spins left. I guess there's no way to get the other bonuses in this double up. At least I haven't seen it yet.
Right.
This is a fun game.
I like it. Keep going, Buffalo.
Yes, sir, buddy. Come on, Buffalo. Points, points, points. Oh, look at that. Come on, Buffalo. Another one.
Do it.
Come on, Buffalo. 5 spins left. There's a double up. Oh, 2. I think we're going to make her over 500 bucks, Miss Wiggles.
Yeah. Here we are. Okay.
Go, Buffalo. Another double up. 4 spins left. Boy, I'd like to get one all the way across, you know?
Oh yeah. This is fun.
Point.
Point?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do it again. 5 more spins. It saves it. 33 spins now. Oh, it's right there. Come on, Buffalo. Don't dry up. There we go. Wow. Oh, I got a coin down here and a coin up there.
Yeah, I don't think it counts either.
No, it didn't. Got to get them on the same screen. Be nice if it did, wouldn't
Oh
it?
yeah.
That would be a nice feature. Okay, Buffalo. Come on, baby. Give me one of them all the way across screens. Fill that screen. Yeah!
Right.
5 more. 38 spins. Come on. Queens. Come on. Big double up. 2 full screens. What's that sound like? Oh.
Come on, Buffalo.
Do it. Come on. There we go. Wild. Oh, missed it right there in the middle. I doubled my ticket so far. I put
Yeah.
580 in here. And I doubled the ticket. I'm happy with that. That's for sure.
That makes it a really good bonus.
It sure does. It makes it a damn good bonus. Come on. Come on, give me a full screen of something. Buffalo. 3. We'll take her. I got 1 spin left, Miss Wiggles. Good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. We get a full screen or a couple more coins. Creek water came up. All right, 602. I am not complaining on an $8 bet.
Awesome. Thanks
All
for
right.
watching, everyone. Please
Thank
like
you.
and subscribe, and we'll see you after.